So we've had mice in the back of the car for a while. So they've done the mats in, etc., etc. So there's a strong smell of mouse urine. So I've got all the carpets out of the car. Now time to replace them. Got a bit of wood holding up on the gas struts is a bit iffy. So get this into there and that into there. So that's it joined in there nicely. Clipped in the sides. So now I just need to fit the steering lock, not steering lock, the boot catch back on. Put this underneath the rubber. Nice. I've reconnected my back light. So now I'm going to get these holes to line up. Get that up and underneath it. That's 2 in. Lovely jubbly so far. So that's us refitted now. Moment of truth. Have I got that latch the right way round? Here we go, we'll soon find out. And that's it locked. And that's it unlocked, so I have not bust it.